What's up guys, welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to discuss some FAQs, some frequently asked questions about hair removal creams. And in case you're wondering which hair removal cream I have been using of late, so I have been using the new Veet Pure. Yes guys, Pure. New Veet Pure hair removal cream. The word pure is there because it's a new improved version. We'll talk about that more in detail later. For now, let's jump into the questions and let's see what they're all about. So starting with the first question, are hair removal creams safe? Yes, let's bring out the biggest question of all because it's such a common question, right? So even I used to wonder that, to be very honest, and here's what I've realized. In the end, see, it's very logical, okay? In the end, it's all about the quality of the product and the ingredients being used. That is so important. See, I always say this on my channel. Be it your hair, be it your face, be it your body, be it your skin, be it anything. Whenever you're trying out anything, okay? Go through the ingredients, that's very important. And number two, always do a patch test. These are two beauty rules that you always follow, which also apply to hair removal creams. So I have been using the new Veet Pure hair removal cream, like I just told you. It's dermatologically tested, and you know what really fascinated me is that it contains natural extracts. Yes, natural extracts. It's also suitable for all skin types. So the one that I've been using is for sensitive skin. It contains aloe vera extract. There's one for dry skin with grapeseed oil, and then there's one for normal skin with cucumber extract. So you can figure out, guys, this thing smells really nice, by the way. So you can pick and choose according to your skin concerns, but let me tell you, so like right now I'm showing you the sensitive skin variant, which smells heavenly. Like if I have to describe the fragrance, I'll tell you, it's like, in my words, it would be like very sweet, flowery fragrance. You know, that's how I would describe it. It smells really nice. In fact, you know, that's how I discovered this cream. My friend was doing something on her hand. You know, we were just about to go somewhere. She was using something on her hand, and I'm like, what's that amazing smelling thing? She's like, Prachi, that's a hair removal cream. I'm like, what? You know, because personally, if you ask me, when you say hair removal creams, good fragrance is not something that would come to my mind as the first thing, but it really smells good. I've actually smelled the other two variants also because, you know, I wanted to do this video, so I got them and I was just sniffing those. They also smell really good. So it's a good fragrance, guys. Like, you know, I've taken it out on the spatula and just like, I don't know what I'm even doing with it. It smells good. Like I can already feel that fresh smell around me. So yeah, moving to the next question. How does the hair grow back? So again, I'll tell you about my experience and hopefully this will help you. I'm someone who has used a lot of different hair removal options, okay? And I have used a lot of razors in my life, and this is just my experience, okay? I'll just tell you what happens with me. I'm like super clumsy, so when I'm using my razors, there's a very high chance of getting a nick or cut somewhere because that's just how I am, okay? And like I have often felt, you know, that I get a lot of ingrown hair, sometimes even strawberry legs. Sometimes the hair will grow back like in awkward angles, hard, prickly. This is what has happened with me throughout my life, and I've kept trying different things. And you know, then the hair removal options which are like painful. Now what I like about, the reason why I like hair removal creams now so much is because, so I've been using this hair removal cream for over a month now actually, and what I have seen is that, you know, number one, the hair does not come back prickly. It comes out fine and nice in its own, you know, in its own way. It's not like reminding you, hey, I'm coming up, I'm coming back up. No, it's not doing that. And the hair does not come back hard and prickly. In fact, this product even claims that, you know, the occurrence of ingrown hair will reduce, and it's something which I'm noticing. It also, by the way, helps to keep your skin moisturized. Yes, and the skin feels soft, smooth, awesome, happy. So yeah, it's a win-win, right? Moving to the next question. How to prep up your skin, how to take care of your skin, do's, don'ts. I'll just answer all of this together in one segment. So before using your hair removal cream, just wash your skin, okay? And after removing your hair removal cream, just wash your skin, okay? So this is what I do, and this is so handy. I just use my hair removal cream during my bath time, during my shower routine. So when I step into the shower, I'll just take a quick bath, I'll clean my skin, I will use my hair removal cream, remove it after 5 minutes, and then I just step into the shower again. This is not mandatory, I'm just telling you that this is how I do it. And how to actually use your hair removal cream correctly? Good question, guys, good question. I'll just show you how I use it on actual hair. I'll demonstrate this. So I'll be demonstrating it obviously with the hair removal cream that I have been using, the new Veet Pure hair removal cream. I'll just take a little bit on the spatula that it comes with and apply a thick layer to fully coat the hair. Do not rub it in, okay? And then leaving it on for about 5 minutes. After that, just remove with the spatula, and yeah, do you see, guys? The hair just comes out like that. painless, beautiful, easy peasy like a charm. So if I show you a quick before after, it's so visible, guys. You cannot miss it, right? It is so visible. So technically that is how you use a hair removal cream. It's so simple. So a lot of people, including myself, for the longest time, struggle with hair removal. They're like, okay, I want hair removal, but I don't want to go through that excruciating pain. For some people, that is a concern. For some people, it's the hard prickly hair which is a concern. For some people, ingrown hair is a concern. See, for everybody it'll be a different thing, right? For me personally, what I've felt is that hair removal creams are such a game changer. Like, since I have started using this, I don't think I'm going back, really, because it just does such a great job. It's painless, it's easy peasy. Like, seriously, just see this again, guys. I'm literally just removing cream off my skin. It's so painless. It cannot get easier than this. There's no screaming, no pain, no hurt, none of those things. Now, moving to the next question, which is how frequently does it need to be used? So obviously, guys, this will vary a lot from person to person. You have seen the kind of hair growth I have, which I just showed you in the previous shot of hair removal. So for me, I'm currently using it like once in 2 weeks. That's about it. So once in 2 weeks it's okay. Like, it's easy, fast, painless. So I don't mind it at all. And can hair removal creams be used on sensitive areas? The last and final question, which I know is there on a lot of people's minds. So guys, by sensitive area, if you mean your underarms, yes, you can use the new Veet Pure hair removal cream on your underarms. I can speak for this particular hair removal cream because I've been using it. It's very safe, okay? So you can use it on your underarms. In your bikini area, I would say you use it on your bikini line, but not exactly in your bikini area, okay? So just keep that in mind. And yeah, I mean, it's such a game changer again, right? Like, removing hair, especially in the sensitive areas, can be so gruesome, so painful, so weird, so many things. Like, there can be so many adjectives depending on who's facing what. This, on the other hand, is easy, painless. You can do it at home, and it's just so practical. So guys, I think with that, I think I have answered all the questions that I generally get on my channel about hair removal creams. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. As for the hair removal cream, the new Veet Pure hair removal cream, which I have been using and going on and on about, guys, it's been a really good discovery, quite honestly. So I will put the link for this product in the description box below. I think you guys should check it out because it's good. It's a really good product. And yeah, if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to answer your questions, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't be stingy with that like button, guys, really. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Okay, so bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.